Hi guys, this is Nina Perez and this is Memoirs of a Fat Girl, going from P.H.A.T to P.H.A.T in real time. This is boot camp 76 because 75 was done at home.
Yes.
And we had a little assignment, not little, that shit almost killed me, assignment.
Oh, did I do that?
And I put little boxes on top, so every time I was like, check, I did 1. Check, I did 2 rounds. I did 3 rounds. The only thing I couldn't remember was what is an inchworm. I couldn't remember.
The walk out and then the stand up.
Oh, okay. That one I didn't do because I couldn't remember. I was trying so hard to remember.
It's all good.
But
You're on the ground
you will
like this.
see that. No, I didn't. I didn't
How
remember.
you spilled silk from my tail?
I couldn't remember. I was fatigued. Woo!
It was a good workout,
It was
right?
a good workout, yeah.
Yep.
It was a very good workout. But you will see that. I'll try to link that above. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you click the little bell notification so you don't miss a video. We have a lot of videos coming out. This is PJ, your fitness concierge. We love him here because he busts our asses, but we always leave here feeling satisfied, like we actually did something. You know, if any of you ever struggled with this, because I know I have, I used to be a member of a gym, pay my money every month, never freaking go.
Benefactor.
After the first 3 months, my husband was always like, do you know how much money you spend on a gym? But he's absolutely right. And then on top of that, all I would do is go in, treadmill, maybe a class if there was a Zumba or something like that, and off I went. You know, I mean, I was sweat, of course, because I'm overweight, but it sure the heck wasn't this.
Right, right.
This is awesome because I have a community of people, like they are really encouraging, especially because we couldn't meet, what was it, Wednesday. It was raining, it was really cold, and you can get sick like that. I mean, let's just not be silly, right?
That's
but
right.
the good thing is that most people committed. They were like, yep, done, 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 done. I was like, wow.
This is
They
good.
did the homework.
They did. That's
Yeah.
good. And it proves to show. It goes to show you can work out anywhere. Doesn't matter where you are.
Yeah.
You know.
It did
Yes,
prove
we are
that.
waterproof.
It proved that.
There you go. You just got to get up and be like, all right, I'm gonna put down the remote, put down the bonbons, get up and do it.
And the thing is like I still am not a ginormous fan of getting up and working out just because I have to. Like, well, yeah, today I'm gonna work out. No, I still need accountability. I'm gonna be keeping it real. Keeping it real.
Good.
This man does
We
it
all
as
do.
a lifestyle. I do not have that on my lifestyle. Not yet. Not yet, but this is the whole process of this, right? That by next year, and like I promised that next year I'm getting really focused on my food as well, right? Because there's something I'm not doing right that I'm still struggling with this weight thing. So I'm not completely eliminating things, and I think that's the issue. I have to get my mindset into a place of, you are now healthy, girl. You can't keep doing all this stuff that you think that you're gonna get away with once a week or whatever. I just need to stop.
That's it.
Because my addiction is real. The sugar addiction is very real, you know? I'm addicted to sugar. I'm addicted to carbs. But that's why I'm here.
That's
I'm
right.
here. I'm here. And so you're going to see a complete transformation next year. This is a promise. So, whoo, I don't like making promises on the air. Because then you got to be accountable.
You heard it here.
So we're going to go
November
ahead
13th.
and get started.
Okay.
What? What'd you say?
No, I was saying.
Oh, don't give it dates.
November
I did that.
14th.
Edit, no
Yeah.
dates. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started. It is kind of chilly out here. It's about 40 degrees. It's not freezing, but it is chilly. So everybody's walking up and down the stairs.
Trying to stay warm.
We'll be right back. Okay, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I am Nina Perez, your host. This is
Tired and
P.J.,
sweaty.
your fitness concierge. What was the temperature when I got here? It's like
40.
85 degrees right now.
So hot. That's so hot. The flashes.
I got this great winter gear, but that's the problem. It's making me hot.
That's
It's
it.
good though. It's good. We had a really good time today. He kept it going. He didn't let us stop. It was like inertia bands run, inertia bands push-ups, inertia bands. I'm like, oh my God, I'm gonna die. I love it though. It's like at the end of it, I feel so damn accomplished.
Absolutely.
I feel so good.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And you keep it moving. When it's cold, you keep it moving.
Yeah.
And quickly, that cold, you don't even think, they weren't even thinking about the cold.
We
They're
actually
like,
were embracing it.
can we rest a little bit? No, we're going to keep it moving.
It was an embracement.
That's
Guys,
it.
don't forget to go on our website. It's on memoirsoffatgirl.live. I need you to share this video and grow this community. We are trying to grow a community of health. I actually started my podcast as well. So please go on there and check that out. It's on iTunes, it's on Stitcher, and it'll be on my website as well. And what I'm going to be doing on there is basically talking to you guys about a lot of health things and struggles that a fat girl goes through. But I'm also going to try to interview people and bring them on there as well, because I think it's going to be important to the community who doesn't see me on YouTube to listen to it on podcast, because the whole point is that it's time to get healthy. Like, we cannot keep not being healthy, especially with 2020, with everybody with the lockdown. A lot of people stayed home. A lot of people gained, what is it, that the COVID-19 20 or something
That's
like
it.
that, where people were really gaining some weight for real, right?
Absolutely.
It's a struggle already.
That's it. Stressful times always produce, for some, they go to eating. A lot of people.
Yeah,
And
I
when
do.
you're
Yeah.
bored, you eat, you
Mhm.
drink, and you just keep doing that. And it just keeps
Or
catching
when you're a
up.
fat girl, when you breathe, you eat. When you're bored, you eat.
When you're happy, you eat.
Yeah,
Girl, we gotta
let's see.
celebrate.
Let's see. What's the problem? Is? What's the
Celebrate.
problem
There
is?
you go.
The problem is my fat ass is out here now trying to get it off. That's the problem is. Eventually, I'm hoping next year I hit the ground running. Well, we're not stopping, so there you go. But I really want to see this year be a year of transformation. Not just for me, but for you too. And don't be afraid to come out here. PJ is really great at adjusting. As you saw in the video, some of us were doing some things and some were doing others, because we have to adjust according to our ailments, or if we have knee pain, or if we're too overweight to do a certain move, keep doing it until you can do it. I like that answer.
That's it.
He is like, oh no, 'cause when you lose 10 pounds, you'll do it better. When you lose, and we're like, well, can we adjust? When you lose 20 pounds, you'll do it better. Yeah, he don't care. He don't
I care, but it's physics, you
No,
know?
I'm saying you don't care about our excuses.
That's
You
it.
don't
Oh
care
yeah,
about
the
our
excuses. I'm
yeah.
like, what? I
Yeah.
hear something chirping.
He does.
Something's
It's quite
chirping.
annoying when you're trying to complain.
That's it.
But guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please support this channel by going onto our website, and then go onto our shop and get some t-shirts and mugs and all kinds of great stuff on there. Backpacks, the whole thing, gym bags. Everything is on there, and there's some really cool little sayings on there. So please go on there to memoirsoffatgirl.live. If you want to know more about this boot camp, we're looking for a location to go indoors, so that the rest of the winter we are killing it. We don't want any excuses. We just want to keep going. So we're looking for a space, and as soon as we find a space, all of that information will be sent to people who are interested. You can reach me at hello@memoirsoffatgirl.live. There will be a fee attached to that, not a huge one, but just go ahead and reach out to me, and I'll give you all the logistics and info on that, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. You want to add anything?
No.
Okay.
You got to keep going. It's a way of life.
Yeah.
Exercise, fitness is a way of life. It's a
Yeah.
lifestyle.
All right. So until next time, we'll see ya. All right.
That out.